Saving TikToks or Instagram Reels to your device without watermark can help you repurpose short content for Pinterest or maybe YouTube Shorts, and so much more. So how do you do it step by step? The first method is actually creating an Instagram Reel in the Instagram app and then saving it to your phone before publishing it. This will help add the same content to TikTok or YouTube without the watermark. And what you'll need to do is just add the sound in the app that you're posting it on. So you'll choose a different sound because Instagram only allows you to download it with a sound if it is not a copyrighted sound, which is mostly the case. So the way to do that is you go to your Instagram app, you go to create another reel, you click on the plus, select reel, and you can record your reel. You can add a sound if you like, but it will be downloaded without a sound, and then you'll click next. And before actually publishing this reel, you go and press right here on the top and it will be saved to your device. Another method to do that is by using an external app to edit your short videos. You can use InShot on your phone or your iPad, Wondershare Filmora, iMovie, or anything else you like. You can create portrait videos for your short content. This will help ensure that you can post the same video on multiple platforms without the watermark. But what if you already created and posted a TikTok without downloading it first? And now you want to go and download it without a watermark because you want to post it to Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or Pinterest idea pins. On Instagram, it is not recommended that you use the TikTok logo in your Reels because your views will be suppressed. Same thing goes for TikTok if you want to post an Instagram Reel, or if you want to post it to YouTube Shorts or Pinterest, the same thing goes. It just looks much more professional without the watermark. So let's learn how to download a video from TikTok and repurpose it on multiple platforms. So the first thing you'll do is go to the TikTok that you want to use, the TikTok that you want to post on another platform. For example, I want to use this one right here. I will go to the dots right here. I will go to copy link and I will copy the link of the TikTok. Then I will go on Google and I will search for download TikTok without a watermark. You can use SnapTik for example. You can paste the link right here and click download. There you go, you have the download and you will click right there. You have an ad, you can close that and then you'll see download again. This will be downloaded to your files, so you'll need to go and search files right here and you should find it in downloads. You can search for it if you don't see it right away. Click on it and click save video to save it to your gallery. And then you can go to your gallery and you'll see your video right here without the TikTok watermark. Then you can use this video on Instagram Reels, on Pinterest, and on YouTube Shorts. You will need to optimize each short video specifically for the platform that you're posting it on if you want that video to actually reach your target audience and bring you traffic and sales. When you add an Instagram reel, make sure to also optimize the caption, the topic of the reel, and the hashtags. This will ensure that your reel will target the right audience for your content and the right type of people will come to your Instagram profile. So there you go, this is how you download short videos without watermark to your phone so you can use them on multiple platforms. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos weekly. Thank you so much for being here and I will see you in my next video.